Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to access GPT-4o in Chat GPT. Step 1. Whether you use the paid or free version of Chat GPT, the first thing to do is sign in, visit the website or download the app and connect to your account. If you don't have one, then simply sign up. Step 2. OpenAI has confirmed that the Mac OS app is being rolled out right now to a limited set of users with broader access coming in the next few weeks. If you get this notification when on the browser version of ChatGPT, click download to get the app. Step 3. There will be a drop down menu near the top of the screen. This will have a list of models on the website. It may already say GPT-4o selected but could also have GPT-4 or GPT-3.5. If GPT-4o doesn't appear, then you don't have access to the model yet. On mobile, it will say Chat GPT-4o in the mobile of the navigation bar at the top of the screen if you have access. Step 4. If you do have access, then simply start chatting with GPT-4o in the same way you would with GPT-4. There are rate limits imposed and these are much lower on the free plan. This means you only be able to send a set numbers per day. If this runs out, you can continue the conversation with GPT-4 or GPT-3.5. Step 5. You can also change the AI model you are using midway through a chat. For example, if you want to manage how many messages you send using GPT-4, you could start the chat with GPT-3.5. Then select the sparkle icon at the end of the response. This opens a model menu, and if you select GPT-4o, which might be necessary for a more complex math query, you will have the next response sent using GPT-4o. Step 6. If you have GPT-4o and are on the free plan, you now be able to send it files to analyze. These could be images, videos, or even PDFs. You can then ask it any question about the content. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much.